Okay, so now that I've started doing resin 3D printing, here are 5 things I wish I knew prior to starting. Number 1, washing and curing doesn't take ages like I thought it would. The bulk of the time is actually spent on the print itself because it prints at such a low layer height. I kept hearing for ages, resin printing takes forever because you have to wash then cure, and I thought, oh, that might take a bit. No, I was horribly wrong. It doesn't take that long at all. Number 2, water washable resin. Really great if you are on a budget. I mean, it's fairly cheap even though you're only getting like 500 grams, but it's great if you don't necessarily want to spend a hell of a lot of money on isopropyl alcohol. I mean, for me, 5 liters costs about $80. So, yeah. And then number 3, good ventilation. So, I don't have the best ventilation at the moment, but I am working on it. But it's not just the resin smell. It's also the smell of the isopropyl alcohol. When I first started, my mum was able to smell the isopropyl from a floor or two above. So, she was complaining about this chemical smell, and I suspected it was the isopropyl more than the actual resin. So, and then number 4, post-processing. It takes a bit, particularly when you're removing support material. So recently for my Sue metal bust that I printed, it took me a solid 10-20 minutes to remove all those supports. So, and I was doing that prior to curing it. So I'm still learning on when to do support removal, but regardless. And then finally, filtering resin and isopropyl alcohol. Filtering both of these out is really great for extending the shelf life. Sorry, not the shelf life, but like you're not wasting as much. So you can always get those cured pieces out of your vat, or in the case of the isopropyl, you can remove all that resin that gets stuck in there, eventually cure it, and then throw it out like regular plastic. But yeah, those were 5 things I wish I knew prior to starting resin printing.